Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you guys the concepts of Chapter 2 Polynomials, Class 10 CBSE NCERT syllabus. So, the concepts and the formulas involved in the chapter Polynomials will be covered in this one video itself. So, the first concept is degree of the polynomial. If, let's say, p of x is a polynomial in x, then the highest power of x in p of x is called the degree of the polynomial. So, if for example, if we take 4x plus 2 over here, 4x plus 2 in the variable x of degree 1, because 4 is only 1, it has nothing power in it, so it is of degree 1. Similarly, the second example, 2y square minus 3y plus 4 is a polynomial in the variable y of degree 2. So if we see this polynomial, the highest power in this polynomial is 2y square in that. So we can say that this polynomial which has a variable y is of degree 2. The third example, we can say that 5x cube minus 4x square plus x minus root 2 is a polynomial in the variable x of degree 3, because here the highest power is here the equation or polynomial is 5x cube minus 4x square plus x minus root 2. So the highest power is 3 here. So hence the polynomial has degree 3 with variable as x. The fourth example is 7 u power 6 minus 3 by 2 u power 4 plus 4u square plus u minus 8. This is also a polynomial. Here we can see that 6 is the highest power. So hence this in this polynomial the degree is 6. Now similarly over here if we say 1 by x minus 1 and root of x plus 2, root x plus 2 and 1 by x square plus 2x plus 3, these are not polynomials at all, right? These are examples of not being polynomials. Then what is linear polynomial, or if they ask that define linear polynomial, we can say that a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. So for example, we can say 2x minus 3, so root 3x plus 5 and y plus root 2. If we see 2x minus 3 over here, we can write 2x as 2x power 1 and 3 is constant, so minus 3. So here the highest degree is 1. So hence we can say that it is linear polynomial. And here there are some examples like 2x plus 5 minus x square and x cube plus 1. We can say that 2x plus 5 minus x square. Here we can see that x square power 2 is is the greater one. So we can say that we can rewrite it as minus x square plus 2x plus 5. So we can say that 5 is constant over here and 2 is the greatest power. So we can say that it is a quadratic polynomial because it has degree of 2. Hence it is not an example of linear polynomial. Similarly, x cube plus 1. Over here the power is 3. Hence it is a cubic polynomial, not an example of linear polynomial. Moving on, what is or define quadratic polynomial? A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. For example, we can write x square minus 2x minus 8 or y square minus 2 as given over here, or as x square minus 3x plus 5. So hence all these have 2 as the greatest degree. So hence it is a quadratic polynomial. And cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means a polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. For example, x cube minus 6x square plus 2x plus 8. If we take a polynomial p of x like this, here we can see that 3 is the greatest degree. So hence it is a cubic polynomial. And also we know that ax square plus bx plus c is the general form of quadratic polynomial. Similarly, we also have general form for cubic polynomial. So, the general form of cubic polynomial is nothing but ax square plus ax cube. So, the highest power is 3. So, hence we write ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. And here we ensure that a, b, c, d are belonging to real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Right? The next concept is if p of x is a polynomial in x and if k is any real number, then the value obtained by replacing x by k in p of x is called the value of p of x at x equal to k, and hence it is denoted by p of k. For example, here we have taken x square minus 3x minus 4. Let us assume that value of x is minus 1. So minus 1, I am substituting minus 1 square minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. So minus 1 square is plus 1 and minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3 and minus 4. We know 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And hence we can say that the value of p of minus 1 is 0. And similarly, I have calculated over here for p of 4. So p of 4 is nothing but 4 the whole square minus 3 into 4 minus 4. We get 16 minus 12 minus 4, which is also equal to 0. And from this we can say that p of minus 1 and p of 4 is equal to 0, and hence we can say that minus 1 and 4 are called the zeros of quadratic polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. So what can we say about zero of a polynomial? A real number k is said to be a zero of a polynomial p of x if the p of k is equal to 0. That is the definition. And this was in case of quadratic polynomial. If it was in the case of linear polynomial, we know that linear polynomial is of the form ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0 and b is constant. So over here we can write that it is nothing but 0 of linear polynomial is nothing but minus b by a, where minus b is the constant term, minus of b, that is b is constant term and a is nothing but the coefficient of x.